unboxing time. Hi, I'm Erin. I am 40 years old. I am a recovering alcoholic. I am going to be 10 years sober this July. So for me, this year is really about doing what I want, whatever brings me pleasure, whatever brings me joy, I'm going to do it. I deserve it. 10 years is crazy. So I saw the new Doc Martens, the Buzz, and I had to snag some. So this is a little unboxing video. Oh, and if you hear any noises in the background, it's just my baby. Come here, bub. Come on. He's shy. Okay. Oh, now you want to? Look it. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Oh my goodness. Okay, thanks for the gift. So I grew up in the 90s. Loved the clothing, loved the style. But I was like super young in the 90s, so I didn't get to experience all the really rad shoes and stuff. I really was a 2000s baby, early 2000s Y2K baby. So let's see. So I got the leopard and the brown. Which one is this? I'm just opening them willy-nilly, not even paying attention. Okay, so first we're going to be looking at the brown. Now I have really big feet. I wear a size 11, but I know when I get Doc Martens, I always have to size down. Well, in some of them I've sized down. They're adorable. They're pretty heavy, but they're adorable. So here are the brown ones. Oh my god, I absolutely love them. They have a little schmutz on them, but I think they look huge on camera. I'm debating on which one I should keep, if I should keep both of them. So let's see. Here's the brown ones. Oh my god. They're freaking cool. I'm a little shocked at how heavy they are. I'm not sure how it's going to work out for my weak ass ankles. But let's do the leopard one too. If I could get it out. So I ordered these on the 6th and they were delivered today. I ordered them on the 6th at like super early, 5 in the morning, 6 in the morning or something. And they are already here. So I'm pretty shocked. The most excited I am for the color is the leopard one. So when I was younger, I started going to shows at bars when I was 13. And they let me in with a middle school ID, which is wild. And I used to have these leopard Oxfords that like had no back heel. And they had leopard like cowhide on it. I love them. I wore them all the time. These are fucking awesome. I love these. They are so nostalgic to me. I'm like blown away. Okay, so I have a little cute cherry and skirt outfit on, so let me try them on. I also got some slouch socks, so let me go grab those. So I got some black slouch socks and white ones. I also got mauve, but those are for a different outfit. The shipping time to me was wild. I did not expect them to get here this soon, so that's really exciting. They're freaking rad. I really love both of them, so I'm debating if I should really keep them both. They are so cute. Oh my god, they're so cute. They are so freaking cute. I can't even handle it. Hold on. Okay, let's see how they look. So I'm wearing this skirt with a white tank top with little cherries on it. Oh my god, they're so cute. I can't handle it. This is exactly what I was hoping they'd look like on me, because you know when these cute shoes come out and then you put them on a size 11 foot, they don't always look cute. But yeah, we're gonna have a problem with. I think I'm gonna keep them both. Because you know what? It brings me joy. And they're freaking adorable. And I feel like a Bratz doll. So these brown Buzz are rad. Rad. Oh, I can't get over. Oh my god. They are a bit heavy for me, but I don't even care. I don't even care. So cute. So cute. Okay, now let's do the leopard. 2 seconds. And you get extra laces. So you get pink laces. So you get these. Look cute. Okay. I'm gonna try them on. I'm so happy that I listened to myself and just snagged both, because these are freaking amazing. Amazing. I'm having like heart palpitations. They're so cool. Just having like, take me back to 1995. They're so freaking rad. I was in 5th grade in 95, by the way. But anyway, look at them. I feel like they make, excuse me, they make any outfit amazing. Look. Look. Oh my God. Brad's baby. Oh, I love it. I want to wear these with everything. Dreams do come true. If your size is still there, because I know my size, and so I got a 10, and then I know size 11 sold out. I know size 5 and even I think 6 is sold out, but double check on the 6. They're selling very quickly, so if you want them, go get them. Doc Marten, you did amazing. I love them. Please come out with more like this. I'm so stoked. I love them. I can't. I'm just like reliving my middle school and high school dreams. So thank you so much. And yeah, thank you. Bye.